Guess what? We're in the new house and we're putting together our new leather shop. Going to be indoors this time, except for our sanding station is going to be out in the shed. But I wanted to show you kind of the room and what we're in progress of. So here we go. We got a little hallway here and a big stack of boxes that's going to have to go in here somehow. All right, so that's where the big machine's going to be, right by inside the door. And I'm working on putting together this big table here. That's actually the second shelf, and it's going to stand in the center of the room, and you can access it from three sides. There's parts of the table. So here you go, some pieces I made, neck knives, and it's a decent sized room. We're going to see what kinds of fun stuff we can do in here. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.